Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on getting the URL of videos and channels on the YouTube app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. I will show you first how to get the URL of a video. Open up the YouTube app and open the video that you would like to get the URL of. Below the video, you need to tap on the Share button. Then select Copy Link. The link to that video will now be saved to your clipboard, and you can paste it anywhere you like. I will now show you how to get the URL of a YouTube channel. Open up the channel that you would like to get the URL of. Tap on the 3 vertical dots button in the top right corner. Select Share from the options. Then choose Copy Link. The link to that channel will now be copied to your clipboard, and you can paste it wherever you like. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more YouTube tips and tricks.